I must have really pissed off somebody. Tore a nice big hole in the side. I had it staked down to fence posts. I didn't mess around with anything little. I went for the big guns. Fence posts. It just ripped the leg right out of it. Broke the fence. Tore the tent all to hell. Now I got to get this stuff and move it inside the blacksmith shop so it's not, that flipped all the crap off the bench onto the ground. All my tools. At least they landed on the tarp. Must have been a north wind. Blew right through here, ripped them right off of these fence posts. I can't believe that those were tied down with cables to the fence posts. Crappy day. All the way around, just a crappy day. Well, I'll start by picking this stuff up and getting it into the buckets and then get it set in the blacksmith shop, and hopefully that won't blow over. Knocked a big old dent in the front of the little red barn too. What a mess.